Hey guys, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. We're out on a home inspection. We actually did this job about 6 months ago. We came out and inspected it, and the customer wanted to wait, which was fine. Again, we do give free quotes and free estimates. So basically what we have is we have the white vinyl, and it runs up the wall, and then there's a staircasing behind here. So there's really nothing else that we can do. So it comes out, if you'll follow me. So that's where the laundry room is, and then this is where the garage. To the garage, then we can see the white vinyl right there. And we see two. One is the bathroom and one is the dryer vent. So it goes right there. So then it continues to run out this way, and then I'm going to take you out here real quick to the louvered vent covers. And basically they got a bird in there, and because they had a bird in there, it ended up tearing the vent. So what we're going to do today is, as you can see, I've already cut into the drywall. We're going to take that down. We're going to run all metal pipe. We're going to do it to code. And then what we're going to do is, we won't finish the drywall, but we will repair the drywall, and we'll get it back up there, and then she'll have to get a different contractor. And that's what makes us different than our competitors. Our competitors would just leave a hole. From my understanding, there was a little hole right here, and it just gets left there. And that's the difference. We try to enclose all holes that we can. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. I will finish this video when we're completed. Thanks and have a great day. Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Basically, we've got the metal ran. You can see it running right there. We went ahead and did a 45, no hard 90s to help the flow. And then here's the middle pipe, and the pipe is strapped. Now, next time you see us, this will all be drywalled in, and it will not be finished or taped or mudded, but the drywall itself will be sealed, so there is no open holes. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Certified dryer exhaust technician. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you. Hey guys, it's Scott again with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. We've got the metal pipe in. There's the old white vinyl, but the metal pipe is all the way in. And as you can see, it goes right there. We do have one hard 90, which is right there. So we have one hard 90, and then we have two 45s. So that legally gives us our 2 elbows that were allowed. And then we ran through, and then what I did was I hooked up on the outside. We'll walk through real quick. And we installed, of course, my favorite, the pest-proof vent cover. And we've ran the metal all the way out to it. So we are definitely protected. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We are locally owned. We are veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technicians. If you don't know what's inside your vent, call me. I'll show you. Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. If you've been following me today, I'm out on an install over at Eagle Creek. We are finishing up. We're going to put a transition on this here in a second, but I wanted to show you, there's the drywall. We went ahead and put the drywall in there, and we put the drywall in right there. And then we'll go out to the garage, and I'll show you out in the garage. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. So there we go with the drywall in that ceiling and drywall in this ceiling. So basically, I've talked to my finisher, and when he talked to me about having this type of ceiling, to go ahead and do it like this, so he could just fill it in with mud and it would match up really well. So we are done with this install other than a transition. And again, we are leaving the area cleaned and better looking than how we found it. Not better looking, but we are leaving it clean. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.